All right, are there any applications
No, Your Honor.
and 3 cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Court is calling 2025 CR 002531, 2025 CR 002532, 2025 CR 0023. I'm sorry, 2025 CR 002534, State versus Eddie Law Outlaw. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Garaham for the state, Your Honor.
Martin Guerra, attorney for Eddie Outlaw.
And are you Mr. Outlaw?
Yes.
Counsel, in each cause number, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Outlaw, in each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, in each cause number, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State in the cause number ending in 3-1, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiving the enhancement paragraph.
No objections.
And in count ending in 3-2, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiving that enhancement paragraph also.
No objections.
And in count ending in 3-4, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Waiving the enhancement paragraph.
No objections.
In each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, you're charged with aggravated robbery. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state calls, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering these pleas, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each one of these cause numbers?
Yes.
Counsel, in each cause number, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Outlaw, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, punishment is to be assessed at 16 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine, affirmative finding of deadly weapon. The cause numbers were run concurrently with each other. And the state will take in consideration 2025 CC 006439. Did you understand that to be the plea in each cause number?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 2025 CR 002531, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And cause number 2025 CR 002532, how do you plead?
No contest.
And cause number 2025 CR 002534, how do you plead?
No contest.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. In each of the cases, state exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
No objections.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would calling the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, in each cause number, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty in each cause number. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, he accepts responsibility for his actions. These were terrible mistakes. For many years now, he has been dealing with a drug addiction, and I think it's safe to say, had he not had that addiction, these offenses would not have taken place. Because of that, we are asking if you could put in the judgment that he be placed in a therapeutic community.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 16 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. And this is in cause number 2025 CR 002531. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 002532, 2025 CR 2534, taking consideration number 2025 CC 006439, and the court will request the therapeutic community. And cause number 2025 CR 002532. Court is finding you guilty. The court is sentencing you to 16 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money to run concurrently. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 002534, 2025 CR 002531, taking consideration 2025 CC 006439. Court will request the therapeutic community. And cause number 2025 CR 002534. Court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 16 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money to run concurrently. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 002532, 2025 CR 002531, taking consideration 2025 CC 006439, and request the therapeutic community. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, you.
All right, in each cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, in each of these cause numbers, because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Oh, I'm so sorry. And in 2025 CR 002534, again, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And because it's a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, so here's the thing. You're going to have to start making better decisions. Otherwise, you're going to spend the rest of your life in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you have a drug or alcohol problem, there are plenty of places that are free in San Antonio that will help you. When you're released from the prison, if you cannot find a place that will help you, if I'm still here, you can come back here and I will find a place for you. Do you understand?
Yes. Opiates.
Opiates?
Yes, sir.
Well, they have locations that handle opiates and alcohol as well, okay?
Yes, sir.
So you're gonna have to get control of that. Otherwise, you're gonna spend a lot of time at the prison. You understand? All right, good luck to you, okay? Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.